recording my summons right now, and ignore everything in the background. I'm going to be recording my summons. See what I get. I honestly hope I get something good. Okay. Extreme, dog destruction beers. Turlos. How do you say it? Krillin. Nappa. Raccoon. Krillin. Oh, this is a sparking guaranteed, so I think I've been cheated out of. He's new. Oh wait, no. This is probably just my first time pulling him. That's probably what they mean by new. Cool. Okay. Everybody in the comments. I know this was like a little short video, but okay. Comment down below if I should do the Master Pack Z Legend Selection or the Master Pack, or hold on, let me see real quick. Let me go up. The God of Destruction Beers. This one has God of Destruction Beers in it. Well, I mean, both of them probably have them in it. But anyway, which one should I do? Oh, I can't do that one. Yeah, okay, I can do this one. But yeah, that's all. And good luck, gamers. I mean, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Goodbye.